Hey guys, welcome back to The Poor Investor. So today I put together a few articles that I found in regards to Chia's price prediction dated this year of 2022. And as I was putting this together, I was on my Twitter and I recently just saw that they posted another price prediction in regards to Chia as of today. This doesn't make any sense. Why are these Chia people with the little green leaves next to their name liking this actual article? And I'll explain in a little bit why I found it to be a little strange why everyone who believes in Chia is actually agreeing to this price prediction. Greed index right now, it is very fearful at 12, and the crypto bubble, I just want to point out here that last week everything was deep red. You can see a lot of the deep reds transitioning over to pink, and some of these coins are actually heading into the positive now, which is a good sign. Are we finally coming out of the bearish market? Who knows? So right now the current price of Chia is 34.61, and recently just today I noticed that we hit an all-time low of 32.73. So what's pulling Chia back up? I don't know. Maybe these trading bots, people have set some really higher expectation of the price to buy in at, or maybe these articles are finally kicking in and people are seeing that it's such a value, because I noticed in one of the articles it was saying right now the price point for Chia is a steal. So let's see if we agree to that or not. So here's the first article: Chia network price prediction 2022-2030. I want to remind everyone that this is not any financial advice, and anyone who tells you a price prediction going that far out into the future, it's really just pulling your chain. Come on guys, no one can predict anything going that far into the future, let alone tomorrow what the price is going to be. I just want to remind everyone, even Luna crashed overnight from whatever it was all the way down to less than a penny. So you have to be very mindful that even when it was a stable coin. This price prediction chart of 90 days, so the first 30 days starting tomorrow, because right now is May 26th, this is estimated for May 27th, $36.44. And a reminder right now, Chia's price is 34.61. As it goes on each day to June 25th, we're looking at 29.90. So let's take a quick look at the 60 days prediction. They're saying it goes down to 24.90 all the way to July. All right, you see the price fluctuation. Some days it'll go back up to the 30s and some days it'll go right back down to the 20s. Now this one seemed a little bit more realistic in my opinion, based on what the current price of Chia looks like going into August, and you can see it's heading into the teens, guys. This is from Captain Altcoin, and it's predicting that Chia prices are going to hit into the teens, 19 specifically, end of August. All right, so that's one article. So let's go into the next one. This is What is Chia Network. This was actually released in January 5th, 2022. Now, what I wanted to point out, even though this is not part of a price prediction, the inaccuracy of what they're calling this. Proof of area. That one threw me entirely off. I'm surprised no one even picked this one up and put it out there. Like, who's saying this? Proof of area is an algorithm by which the consumer builds the free house on a tough drive or SSD by putting it in a Chia blockchain software program. The wording in that is just sounds really off, and if I wasn't even into Chia and I read that, I would be like so confused at this point. I would probably not even want to get into Chia. I think Chia needs to do a lot of remediation stuff to actually clean a lot of these articles that are misrepresenting what Chia is supposed to be. I'm not sure why they're breaking it up in twos, proof of area and proof of time, because it's proof of space and time. As Chia farmers, we know that, and if you're new to this channel, it's not proof of area or proof of time. It's actually POST, proof of space and time. And then it goes through the plotting process. Now, this article is a little dated. A lot has changed since January till now. We're heading into the end of May. So let's go over this paragraph in particular because it has some prices here. Let's see what it actually has to say. The worth of the primary day of itemizing jumped to $5,000. I don't remember that. Nevertheless, by the tip of the day, the speed dropped to, what the hell kind of writing is this? The speed dropped to $1,600. The activation of transaction occurred on Cold 3rd, 2021. After that, the acquisition, sale, and buying, the selling of Chia at market worth grew to become accessible. Like all crypto assets, the Chia coin is extremely risky. On the time of writing, the coin price is $172.18. Now, I wish it was still at that price point, but it's not. This actually links a YouTube video of the whole Chia and how Chia actually works. Small cartoon segment development of it. So let's go into this other article of what Chia Network is. This one does have a price prediction right here, and it says, as per the crypto price prediction organizer, Chia Network appears to be a prominent project. It reaches its whooping all-time high in 2021 when it traded at $1,934.51. I believe it did reach at that point the beginning of the launch of Chia at the all-time high. So let's just say we'll take their word for it, because all I see is $1,595. But you know, there was always talk that it spiked up to $1,900. Maybe it was a one-time thing and people just sold off at that moment. The organization make various predictions regarding Chia Network and anticipate the price of the network to reach $2,083 by 2029. Guys, that is that is some time out. Now again, I have to remind you guys, these price predictions are just not realistic. They're very hypothetical. They don't gain anything by saying these price predictions, but it just gets you to read on, which is close to network all-time high. Its highest prediction anticipated at Chia Network is going for $4,393 after a couple years of the prediction mentioned above, which is quite fascinating as the surge is exponential from future vantage. That is extremely bullish. This article was actually published on, let's just see, February 21st, 2022. So this Nancy J. Allen is very bullish. This price prediction seems to be extremely overboard in my opinion. Pick a Crypto has a price prediction as well from 2023 to 2025. Let's just see what they say in regards to price. From 2023 to 2025, we think the price of Chia to visit the 20,000 to 100,000 USD area as the team continues to develop their product and those products receive adoption from the target audience. Guys, I can't even stop myself from laughing to see those prices. Can you imagine? Besides the fact that they said 20,000 to 100,000, like, can you get any more broader than that? You know, let's just be realistic right now. 20,000 to 100,000. I'm not going to go through the entire segment over here. I can link to all this in the description below. But guys, check that out. 20,000 to 100,000 from 2023 to 2025. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm going to stop giving away these XCHs and I'm just going to hold on to it, all right? Because it may have a potential of hitting $100,000. Can you imagine how much that 21 million pre-farm would be? Chia will be like the most expensive company in the world at that point, and who wouldn't want to jump on it during that time if Chia ever hits $100,000. I mean, I would say even if it hit $10,000, it would be something to not sneeze at, and everyone would probably end up jumping onto Chia at that point. That was a good laugh, right? Lo and behold, once I was putting all this together, I see a tweet that someone was liking this particular Chia price prediction, and it was literally just announced today, May 26, 2022. So far, the price predictions that we have seen so far is that more realistic. It'll be like in $19 by the end of the year, or by the summertime, right? 90 days from now. The more extreme bullish one will be 20,000 to 100,000 in like a few years from now. Very optimistic, let me give you that. Of course, I'm just going through the price prediction. I'm not reading into the entire article. This one dives a little deeper with the market cap, and you know, it just makes more sense. But let's just take a look right now. April 2021, less than a year ago, the price, open price, closing price, and the month high. So back in April, we were in $71.80. Now, this is not really giving any price prediction, but as of this writing, 34.20, according to data available on coinstats.app, for a currency with such a promising future, Chia stands on financially stable grounds at 137.4 million for its market cap, fully diluted to nearly 1 billion. Chia price prediction technical analysis. Token holders are enjoying a short lift at this time as sellers retreat momentarily to avoid falling into a bullish trap like other tokens. Chia has come out of the bear market badly bruised, but holders will live to see another day. Here is a summary of the price action. Technical information developed at a critical demand zone from $30 to $60. Now that seems a little bit more reasonable. That's where we are right now. For Chia's price prediction, the point of concern are $61.80 and $69, where Chia crashes 43.95% to the current trading ground. So far, Chia is setting up a downward facing trading range with bulls challenging it at every turn for the breakout property without any luck. So here they're actually giving price predictions based on these different companies or trading firms that are analyzing Chia. Every one of them are giving a different price range. Right here, this one with a 10% recovery to $52. However, despite the bullish outlook on the Chia price forecast for May, June, Chia price could descend momentarily as a headwind kicks in on a positive momentum with the potential of falling to $35. All right, so this one goes on and comes fall to $31.40. This one falls to a future correction to $3.12, guys. Wallet Investor. So we'll have to keep an eye out on that one. Digital Coin says it has a potential to hit $61.29. Rest of the year above $57.44. So everyone's being very bullish, except I would say this one too, because these are two bearish ones right now: Coin Arbitrage and Wallet Investor. So we have a price prediction of $135.57 and pop above the $198.58. Now, of course, these are all USD. Gov.capital says, with the possibility of devaluing Chia to zero as market sentiment worsens, the Chia price prediction for the rest of the year seems more investors falling into a bearish trap with no hope of recovery. My goodness. Let's see when Crypto Lambo says it can see $2,400. Okay. Arasha Moore Poor. Hey, sounds like me, right? Poor. The pit stop at $85, guys. $85. Which one do you guys agree with? I mean, these are prices all over the place right now. This is just ridiculous. Latest news and happening concerning Chia. We know that it's trying to go IPO or it may go SPAC. Right now, this article is just, it's so like all over the place that I'm not even sure why people are on the Chia community. Like, let's just look at it really quick. Like, a lot of these are the Chia people are actually like in favor of it and liking it and retweeting it. To me, it's just nonsense. I mean, it's like one or the other, right? Like, it's gonna happen or it's not gonna happen, or it's gonna go up or it's gonna go down. Like, everyone has their own little prediction. I'm not even sure how they're getting their prediction, because this range is so ridiculously distant from each other that I can't even say where is the middle for it. Like, what is the middle? Like, this guy is saying zero. All right. Gov.capital is saying zero. You have Wallet Investors saying $3. At that point, whether it's $3 or here, let's just say they say $0, it could be a few cents. What if it was 50 cents? What would you guys do? Comment below. Let me know what you guys would do if it hit like under $1. Would you shut down your farms at that point? Just liquidate all your hard drives? If you can get rid of it, if you can, what would you do with it, right? I just wanted to bring this to you. I know this video ran a little longer. I would not be picking a winner today, but I will be picking another one going forward. Just wanted to bring this to your attention that, you know, there's a lot of price prediction articles out there. Don't go by it, because we really don't know what's going to happen today or tomorrow, or maybe even like 2035. Like, it may hit $100,000. Maybe. I don't know. A lot of people speculated and said that Bitcoin wasn't going to be anything and it's just fake internet money, and look where it is now. So it's really hard to say yay or nay at this point. A lot of people still don't believe in Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is where it is now. But there is a lot of fear in the market right now, and this is the time where a lot of companies would not make it to the next level of, you know, maintaining itself, especially with, I know the Chia team has such a large staff on hand. From what I'm finding out is that, you know, they're not producing anything right now. They're not making any money from it, and they're using funding that they received in order to strive and maintain through this harsh time. Especially they haven't gone IPO. Of course, if they go IPO or SPAC, some of that money would be coming in. But remember, from the AMA that I've done, and I've done research on that as well, is saying that the company going public was not going out there to look for money. It was supposed to be financially stable and then go IPO. That way the company is viewed differently. That's pretty much what my take on it today is, and I appreciate you guys always being here. Please remember to hit that like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye.